Welcome to 45 Dunwell Crescent, a recently updated 4+1 bedroom semi-detached brick home with 4 washrooms, situated within a family-minded neighbourhood of Northeast Ajax's Salem Heights community. The stone interlocking walkway to the covered front entrance continues around the south side of the home and into the backyard. The front door opening into a very spacious sunken ceramic tiled foyer that has direct access to and from the attached single-car garage and a coat closet as well. The main level showcases upgraded ceiling light fixtures, a light, neutral decor enhancing the spaciousness of the principal rooms, with dark wooden flooring bringing rich warmth to the living and family rooms. Their large windows, which face south and west respectively, allow for ample natural brightness, both windows having California shutters for light diffusion, with the family room having the added coziness of a corner gas fireplace surrounded by a stone accent facade. Ceramic flooring flows throughout the kitchen and its breakfast area. The earthen tones of the floor and the kitchen countertops paired with deeply hued cabinetry that brings a beautiful sense of traditional warmth to this space. While adding a complementary modern touch is the mirrored backsplash and a stainless steel double sink, as well as appliances that include a French door fridge, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and an oven. The sliding door walkout in the breakfast area opens to the fully fenced west-facing backyard, an exceptional and extremely low-maintenance outdoor entertaining space that features a 2-tiered deck, an interlocking stone patio, a hot tub, and a storage shed. A timeless dark and light-colored railing accompanies the carpeted staircase to the upper level, the staircase having a large south-facing window at its mid-landing, and with this level featuring dark wooden flooring throughout, 4 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The south-facing second bedroom, as well as the east-facing third and fourth bedrooms, all have double-sized closets with single doors, California shutters on their windows, as well as upgraded light fixtures. Upgraded light fixtures also brighten the hallway, while the common-use 4-piece washroom features ceramic finishes, a water closet that includes the bath and shower area, a vanity with upgraded lighting, and with access to the linen closet just steps outside its door. The light-washed west-facing master suite is also illuminated by a gorgeous contemporary pendant light fixture. This graciously sized retreat showcasing a large walk-in closet, ample space for a sitting area, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a linen closet, an upgraded vanity light, as well as south and west-facing windows. These and the window in the bedroom complete with California shutters. Off the lower staircase's mid-landing is a powder room with ceramic flooring, a pedestal sink, upgraded vanity lighting, and a window with a California shutter. The stairs continuing to a fully finished and recently redeveloped lower level. Off the lower landing is a large storage room, and the remainder of the level showcases laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, a spacious recreation area, a 4-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a contemporary vanity with countertop basin, and access to a laundry area with a washer and dryer behind a set of bifold doors, as well as a good-sized bonus room with a walk-in storage closet that is ideal as a bedroom, home office, or hobby space. Steps to public transit, a short walk to Da Vinci Public and St. Josephine Bakhita Catholic Elementary Schools, and to both the Somerset and Wyndham Manor shopping plazas, while also being close to Michael Jean Public School, J. Clark Richardson Collegiate Institute, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary School. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.